cover of your bed. When I look back upon these summer days on our own, all our records now gone, since you left me all alone. That song we used to play to make you feel okay, putting the strings of my heart whenever you fell apart. Oh, that song we used to play to make you feel okay, putting the strings of my heart whenever you fell apart. Oh, that song we used to play to make you feel okay, pulling the strings of my heart whenever you fell apart.
Don't you worry, baby, all those days we spent together. Oh, the fire you're giving up, all the times the spark has struck. We can kiss goodbye to those wondrous stunning nights, all the laughter we will never have, all the sunset we won't catch. And you will drop a tear every time I'm coming near you. You will miss the times you decide to leave behind. Yeah, I will drop a tear every time I see you near me. But please don't change your mind if you won't say goodbye. Yeah, don't think that I am trying to say I give a damn. Maybe you were always right. After love, it's time for a fight. What's the point in all that kissing? I don't think that I will miss him. You're just gonna say goodbye to the best moments in our life. And you will drop a tear every time I'm coming near you. And you will miss the times you decide to leave behind. Yeah, I will drop a tear every time I see you near me. But please don't change your mind if you won't say goodbye. Every time I pass it by, you live this last goodbye. Every time I see you near, I will drop a little tear. I have no fear right now and right here. laying down, living slow, 'cause I know that you're mine and we'll be fine.
World is spinning and I am singing, getting high on your perfume, playing loud your favorite tune. I wake up every day and I find that I love you more, that I love you more than I did the day, than I did the day. The day before.
Now you're dancing, a piece of hair beyond you here, leaving town. Now we're running out of time. Whatever I do, you're on my mind.
I might drown is the lover. You know I'm a dreamer and I hope that forever you'll be mine and we'll be fine. I wake up every day and I find that I love you more, that I love you more than I did the day, than I did the day. The day before.
The sky turns gray against a fiery display of red and golden hues, like the day I fell for you. So what will you do when the sun begins to fall? I'm waiting here for you. Won't you answer my call? Don't you wanna get cozy with me? We'll dive into a reverie. Oh, don't you wanna get cozy? We'll sail across an ocean of sheets. Da 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 da. The wind, it chills you right to the bone. And soon we'll say hello to evening snow. So what will you do when the air gets cold? Won't you quicken your steps and hurry on home? Don't you wanna get cozy with me? We'll Makes me sad, but with you to hold and have, as the days they get shorter, we have reason to get closer. Don't you wanna get cozy with me? We'll dive into a reverie, yeah. Oh, don't you wanna get cozy? We'll sail across an ocean of sheets. Da 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 da. Don't you wanna get cozy with me?
Wake up slowly, still and softly. Let the looming torment still till break of day. All you feeble, easy. When you see the stuff feeling you swore, wait for the morning flood. Wait till the glory comes. Wait for the morning. Wake up boldly, firmly walking. Any passing vice to still the pain. All you drinking, feeble, easy. As you see her sinking from shore. So wait for the morning flood. Wait till the glory comes. Wait for the morning. Just wait for the morning. Oh, oh. staring out the window on a cloudy morning, trying to lick our wounds while the tea is warming. Sometimes it's like a bird that's never shipped out. Sometimes you go around on a never-ending rail. This week has been a mess, but I'm gonna tell you, we're a bit at work, gonna make it brand new. We're gonna plot a way for a comeback. We only need some time, and I promise you that. I promise you that. I promise you that. I know this can take a while, but it's gonna be alright, girl. And if it won't be today, I'm the shoulder you can cry on. So cry if you wanna cry. Small rainbows will fill your eyes. You cry if you wanna cry. And time will be on your side. Maybe with the drops lost in the ocean, drifters following the stream's emotion. Riders of the night with no destination, don't never know the name of our future station. We are lost romantics in a world that's frozen. We gonna be the heroes of our own novel. We just need some time. Oh, I know this can take a while, but it's gonna be alright, girl. And if it won't be today, I'm the shoulder you can cry on. So cry if you wanna cry. Small rainbows will fill your eyes. You cry if you wanna cry. 'Cause time will be on your side.
This world, it's so unkind. One day you're king, the next you're crucified. What good is truth without love? What good are we if just flesh and blood? In this world, it's so cruel. You think you won the game and they've gone and changed the rules. But maybe I'm just a fool to believe there's something beautiful inside of you and me. But how long must I wait to see this world change? Oh, I long for the day that my tears are gone, and each day that goes by, oh, I watch evil rise, and it's getting harder to find where beauty belongs. world, it's so dark. It loves to stomp the fire out of every broken heart. But if I refuse to let this flame in me die, oh, I can light the world up, one spark at a time. Perhaps one day I'll hit the lotto, then my bills would all be paid. Money no longer would be a bother. My life would never be the same. We could travel all around this world, fly first class every day. But if I never hit the lotto, would you still love me anyway? Perhaps one day I'll reach the big time. The whole world would know my name. Well, every other magazine cover would use me for their campaign. We would be the hardest couple around, from New York to LA. But if I never reach the big time, would you still love me anyway? Perhaps one day I'll have the answers for every question that's ever been. Most brilliant minds of our time will call me colleague and friend. We would never have any problems at all. I'd solve them each right away. But if I never have the answers, would you still love me anyway? Oh, if I never hit the lotto or reach the big time one day, oh, if I never have the answers, would you still love me? Would you still love me anyway?
The sound of a kiss we stole from the night, the self-rushing heartbeats of love at first sight. Perfume is drifting in the cool breeze, dance of two hands eager to meet. A kiss and two heartbeats ring out on the street. 'Cause kisses and heartbeats don't know how to lie. They're watered with tears and bloom in the night. Kisses and heartbeats don't know how to lie. And how to lie, and how to lie, and how to lie. had a lie, had a lie, oh no. So let's take a step in this first dance of kisses and heartbeats, embracing by chance. Because maybe fate is too much of the world, just two random passengers caught in a world. A kiss and two heartbeats entwined in a curve. 'Cause kisses and heartbeats don't know how to lie. They're watered with tears and bloom in the night. Kisses and heartbeats don't know how to lie. And how to lie, and how to lie, and how to lie, oh no. How to lie, and how to lie, oh no. And how to lie, and how to lie, oh no. The moody wind that once made us meet is blowing furiously down the street. The friendly breeze at our back has lately been swaying. And I don't know if you're looking for somebody better or something more. 'Cause even when you're with me, your eyes are still strained. So if you wanna go, make it very quiet. Leave the door half open, don't turn on the light. I will see the note lying on the stand, see the empty space and I will understand. And if you wanna live, take good care of you. Maybe it's about time we try something new. Maybe for a while, maybe just a fluke. The wind will just give back the same way that it took. But then the house just won't be the same. Trees will be moaning and crying your name, and I will hear your voice resound in the silence. I'm gonna browse through my old scrapbook. I will draw a left that the way we looked, hope for a hint that the wind is sounding you back. So if you wanna go, make it very quiet. Leave the door half open, don't turn on the light. I will see the note lying on the stand, see the empty space and I will understand. And if you wanna live, take good care of you. Maybe it's about time we try something new. Maybe for a while, maybe just a fluke. The wind will just give back the same way that it took. And if you wanna live, take good care of you. Maybe it's about time we try something new. Maybe for a while, maybe just a fluke. The wind will just give back the same way that it took.